Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. Today we're installing August Smart Lock Pro 3rd generation. I was waiting for this product for a long time. It's got all the features I need, and that's why I didn't buy the previous generations. We were waiting for home integration, smart assistant working with that lock, and finally we got this product and we're going to install it today. I bought it in silver. Comes with the installation plate, the lock itself, adapters for the locks. First thing we're doing, we're going to use this tape and we're going to tape this lock to the door so it doesn't come out. Next, we're going to remove the screws. Installing the bracket. And adapter. We installing the yellow adapter because the lock is schlegged. We're going to open this wing latches and install the lock. Next step would be pressing on this logo, removing the cover, it's magnetic, removing the stab, and inserting the battery. Putting the cover back together, we can remove this tape. Now we're going to check the operation. It works. At this point you can remove this tape. We don't need it anymore. This device is a sense. It's sensing the door open or closed. You can surface install this using these screws or double-sided tape. We're going to install it flush mount. I'm going to take it out. And that's how it's going to be. We're going to install it right above the striker plate. We're going to use 5/8 speed bore, and we need to find out how deep we're going to go. We pretty much have to go by the blue mark, as you can see. And all we're going to do is going to kind of press it in here. We used 5/8 speed bore, but it's too loose. I'm afraid it's gonna get lost. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a dab of caulk around it, so it'll keep it in place. This is done. At this point, we're done installing all the hardware. All we're gonna do is set it up on the app. At the first setup is going to update the lock, update the software on it, that's why it takes a minute. We're going to calibrate lock. Okay, door is wide open. Check it. Now open the door. Open unlocked. Finally close the door. Congratulations, your smart lock is now ready to use. Setup is complete. You can assign other people IDs, you can use set up your smart assistant to open and lock the doors. That's how you install the August Smart Lock Pro 3rd generation. Thank you for watching. That was Legacy Handyman. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos.